Hey, this is Mark Peterson of the People's Patriot Project, and I'm so excited to come to you and share with you something that has just happened for us. We are partnering with a gentleman named Barry Shore and his company called DLyted. We are, or have been given the opportunity to raise some funds without costing you a dime. This is how we're going to do this. If you're going to go shopping anywhere, we may not have everyone's gift card, but if you're going to go shopping at Target, Walmart, Caribou, Starbucks, Burger King, Nike, any of these things, Under Armour, if you're going to go shopping for any of that stuff during the holiday season, do me a favor. A, you can give a gift card as a gift, or B, you can go do the shopping for your gift cards. It doesn't cost you a dime. $20 is $20 to you. But depending on the company, we get a percentage of that back. I want to show you here real quick. Look through these lists. So you're going to see a percent that we get back versus the company that is giving the gift card. You buy your gift card through DLyted, Amazon. Everyone's doing Amazon now. American Airlines, AT&T, your man, Bass Pro Shops, Best Buy. I'm going through this quick, guys. The Buffalo Wild Wings, Burger King, Chili's, all national chains, Delta Airlines, Southwest Airlines, Domino's. It just keeps going. The great thing is we have Target on here as well. We're not even that far. We're in the H's. We have Target and Walmart, plus all these. Look, guys, we can make 5%. Go to a baseball game this summer. Next summer, 10% of your purchase will come to us. Old Navy, again, another Bass Pro Shop. Papa John's. Red Robin. I mean, I'm not doing a commercial here. I'm just kind of showing you where everything is. There was your Starbucks coffee. There's your Target. There's your TGI Fridays. There's your Home Depot. Can you imagine? There's a Lowe's on here. Can you imagine if you did a home project, $20,000 new kitchen, maybe you build a whole home, and you go get your materials from Home Depot or Lowe's. Guys, this is too simple. And I'm asking you to take one step. Take one step in going to DLyted. Here's the company right here. Now I'm going to show you. I'm going to go into our causes. I put in the people's, and then that brings you right to us. Now I gotta let you know, I try to do this in less than 5 minutes. I try to do 2 minutes. There's just too much stuff here. So the People's Patriot Project, boom, you come in here. This is us. This is what we're doing. Now, I showed you the mission. I showed you the cause. I need to have you guys get out there and raise your funds through us or DLyted and not cause a dime. I mean, it's that simple. I heard that if you have 2,000 members in your network, it takes no time at all to raise $1 million for your organization. And I think we can do this. So with that said, again, I want to thank Barry Shore and DLyted. I want to thank you, Patriot Pride. Let's go get it done, guys.